Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to send bulk campaigns to all contacts in your CRM so you can reach everyone quickly and efficiently. So first we will go to CRM from the menu and then we will go to bulk campaigns. So then we will click on create new campaign and select WhatsApp campaign. Then we will click on create messaging campaign. And from here you can give your campaign a name. You can select the campaign type immediate or schedule according to your requirement and then you will click on next. So over here you will select the audience and we will click on all contacts from CRM. So we can see that the total number of recipients will be displayed here automatically. Then we will click on next. We will select our channel. Then we can select any of the message type we want to. Let's select pre-approved template. Let's click on the template we want to send and then you can map your body variable from here. And once everything is configured, click on next. Preview your details and click on save campaign. So this is it, and our bulk campaign to all contacts is now successfully created. We have to just click on the rocket icon over here to trigger the campaign. So thank you so much for watching.